Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Hair Crown UG. Today, we're going on a hair journey, a rescue mission for those stressed out strands. We've all been there, the dryness, the damage, the feeling like you want to hide your hair under a hat all the time. But trust me, gorgeous, you're not alone. We're diving deep into the best kept secrets to revive your hair and bring it back to life. Get ready for some serious hair therapy, because I'm sharing my absolute top tips for transforming dry, damaged hair into the luscious, healthy locks you deserve. Get ready to say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to hair that shines from within. Let's do this. Okay, let's talk deep conditioning, the holy grail for dry, damaged hair. It's the secret weapon that can transform your locks from dull and lifeless to vibrant and healthy. Think of it as a tall glass of water for your hair, quenching its thirst from root to tip. Just like our bodies need hydration to function at their best, our hair craves moisture to stay strong and shiny. Deep conditioners are like supercharged moisturizers, packed with nourishing ingredients that penetrate the hair shaft, repairing damage and restoring elasticity. Ingredients like shea butter and argan oil are not just buzzwords, they are powerhouses that deliver intense hydration and essential nutrients. And let's be real, we put our hair through a lot. From daily heat styling to chemical treatments, our hair endures a significant amount of stress. Heat styling, coloring, even the environment can take its toll. Wind, sun, and pollution are all factors that contribute to hair damage, making it essential to give our hair some extra TLC. Deep conditioning helps to reverse that damage, leaving your hair feeling softer, smoother, and stronger. It's like hitting the reset button for your hair, giving it a fresh start. But it's not just about slapping on any old conditioner and hoping for the best. The right product can make all the difference. The key is to choose a deep conditioner that's right for your hair type and concerns. Whether your hair is curly, straight, fine, or thick, there's a formula out there designed to meet your specific needs. If you're dealing with dryness, look for ingredients like shea butter, argan oil, or hyaluronic acid. These ingredients are known for their hydrating properties and can help to lock in moisture. For damaged hair, opt for protein-rich formulas that will help to strengthen and rebuild. Proteins like keratin and collagen can fortify the hair structure, making it more resilient to breakage. Now, let's talk application. After shampooing, apply your deep conditioner generously from mid-shaft to ends, focusing on any particularly dry or damaged areas. Don't be shy. The more thorough you are, the better the results. Really work it into your hair using your fingers to distribute it evenly. This ensures that every strand gets the attention it needs. For an extra boost of hydration, put on a shower cap or wrap your hair in a warm towel. This creates a warm environment that helps the conditioner to penetrate deeper. The heat will help the conditioner to penetrate deeper into the hair shaft, allowing the ingredients to work more effectively. Relax and let it work its magic for at least 20 minutes, or even longer if your hair is extremely dry or damaged. The longer you leave it in, the more time it has to repair and rejuvenate your hair. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. You'll feel the difference in texture and see the shine almost immediately. You'll notice a difference in the texture and manageability of your hair after just one use. It's like giving your hair a spa day. Deep conditioning is a game changer, and it's a step you don't want to skip in your hair care routine. Make it a regular part of your regimen, and your hair will be healthier, shinier, and more resilient. Let's talk about heat styling. I know, it's tempting to reach for the straightener or curling iron every day, but girl, all that heat is wreaking havoc on your hair. The constant exposure to high temperatures can strip your hair of its natural moisture, leaving it dry and brittle. Over time, it can lead to dryness, breakage, split ends, and even damage to the hair follicle. This means your hair can become weaker and more prone to falling out. Think of it like this. Would you hold a hot iron to your skin every day? Probably not. The same logic applies to your hair. So why are we doing it to our hair? It's time to rethink our hair care routine and make healthier choices. Our hair is delicate and needs to be treated with care. Just like we take care of our skin, we need to be mindful of how we treat our hair. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up heat styling altogether, although that's always an option. But reducing the frequency can make a huge difference. But we need to be smarter about it. There are so many ways to style your hair without causing damage. First and foremost, always use a heat protectant spray before you even think about touching your hair with a hot tool. This is non-negotiable. This will create a barrier between your hair and the heat, minimizing damage. It's like sunscreen for your hair. And when you do use heat, try to keep it to a minimum. Limit your heat styling sessions to once or twice a week if possible. Experiment with different hairstyles that don't require heat, like braids, buns, or even just letting your hair air dry. These styles can be just as chic and stylish. There are so many gorgeous styles you can create without using any heat at all. From beachy waves to sleek ponytails, the options are endless. Air drying is your hair's best friend. It allows your hair to retain its natural moisture and texture. It's free, it's easy, and it's the healthiest way to dry your hair. Plus, it saves you time in the long run. If you're short on time, try rough drying your hair with a blow dryer on a low heat setting until it's about 80% dry, then let it air dry the rest of the way. This method reduces the amount of direct heat your hair is exposed to. Your hair will be healthier, shinier, and happier in the long run. So give your hair a break from the heat and embrace a healthier hair care routine. Chapter 3. Let's talk about those ends, ladies. We all dream of having long, luscious locks, but sometimes the journey to healthy hair can feel like a never-ending battle. One of the most crucial steps in this journey is often overlooked: trimming those ends. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but trimming your hair regularly is actually one of the best things you can do to promote hair growth and prevent further damage. It's like pruning a plant. By cutting off the dead parts, you allow for new, healthy growth. Think of it like this: when your ends are split or damaged, they're more likely to break off. This breakage can travel up the hair shaft, causing even more damage and making your hair look unhealthy. This can make your hair look thinner and more frayed, and it can also prevent your hair from growing to its full potential. Split ends can give your hair a dull, lifeless appearance, which is the opposite of what we want. By trimming those split ends, you're essentially giving your hair a fresh start. It's like hitting the reset button, allowing your hair to grow stronger and healthier. It allows your hair to grow without being weighed down by damaged ends, resulting in healthier, stronger, and longer hair in the long run. You'll notice a significant difference in the texture and shine of your hair. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but Huda, I don't want to lose any length. It's a common concern, especially if you're trying to grow your hair out. Trust me, I get it. The idea of cutting your hair can be daunting, but it's all about perspective. But a trim doesn't have to mean chopping off inches of hair. Even a small trim can make a big difference in the health of your hair. A good stylist will be able to trim your hair in a way that maintains your length while getting rid of those pesky split ends. They understand the importance of keeping your hair looking its best. Aim to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks, or even sooner if you have particularly dry or damaged hair. Regular trims are a small investment for long-term hair health. It might seem like a small thing, but trust me, those regular trims will make a world of difference in the health and appearance of your hair. You'll be amazed at how much better your hair will look and feel with just a little bit of regular maintenance. Chapter 4. Let's talk about beauty sleep, but not just for your skin, for your hair too. One of the simplest yet most effective things you can do to prevent damage and breakage is to switch to a silk pillowcase. You see, traditional cotton pillowcases can be harsh on your hair. The rough fibers create friction, which can lead to tangles, breakage, and frizz. Silk, on the other hand, is much gentler on your hair. Its smooth surface allows your hair to glide effortlessly over the pillowcase, minimizing friction and reducing breakage. And it's not just about preventing damage. Silk pillowcases can also help to preserve your hairstyle, keeping your blowout or curls looking fresher for longer. Plus, silk is naturally hypoallergenic and temperature regulating, so it's great for sensitive skin and can even help to prevent wrinkles. I know it might seem like a small change, but trust me, your hair and skin will thank you for it. You'll wake up with smoother, shinier, and less frizzy hair. It's like a mini spa treatment for your hair while you sleep. Chapter 5. Gorgeous hair isn't just about what you put on it, it's about what you put in your body too. Just like our skin, our hair needs the right nutrients to thrive. A balanced diet is essential for healthy hair growth, shine, and strength. Think of your hair like a plant. If you don't water it and give it the right nutrients, it's going to become dry, brittle, and eventually die. The same goes for your hair. So, what should you be eating for luscious locks? Protein is key. It's the building block of hair, so make sure you're getting enough from sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. Next up, healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and walnuts, are amazing for hair growth and shine. And don't forget about iron. Iron deficiency can lead to hair loss, so make sure you're getting enough from foods like spinach, lentils, and red meat. And of course, we can't forget about water. Hydration is crucial for overall health, including the health of your hair. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your hair hydrated from the inside out. So there you have it, my loves. My top tips for transforming dry, damaged hair into the healthy, luscious locks of your dreams. Remember, beautiful hair starts from within, so nourish your body with a healthy diet, treat your hair with care, and don't be afraid to experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips and beauty hacks.